Mic check 1212D. Adjust your frequencies. Beings of the 12 densities, and those of you currently lost in the 15th, because tonight the Cosmic Tribunal reconvenes. We are opening a file so dense it requires its own gravitational pull just to turn the page. Tonight we bring before the sacred flame the architect of the ultimate I can't believe it's not sci-fi cosmology, Ashayana Deane, also known as Anna Hayes, also known as Ashayana, also known as the woman who makes the Apocryphon of John look like a Dr. Seuss book. The file is open. The Akasha has the receipts. And the Truth Seekers is about to hit harder than a failed stellar activation in 2012. Lesson 1. The Glossary from the 15th dimension. Let's start with the word salad technology. You were told that to save your soul, you needed to master terms like Partiki, and the Kathara Grid. This isn't spiritual teaching, it's a game of cosmic Scrabble played with loaded dice. You were handed a cosmology so complex, it makes a biochemist textbook look like a grocery list. If your gnosis requires 800 pages of technical manuals just to find the bathroom in the 4th density, you aren't being liberated, you're being enrolled in an interdimensional bureaucracy. Lesson 2. The Perpetual Stellar Activation. Stalling. At some point, most of you heard about the event or the stellar activation cycle. You were told the gates were opening, then the gates were hijacked. Then the timeline shifted to the Bardoa cycle. This is the same perpetual goalpost strategy used by the street-level gurus. Keep the audience in a state of anxious anticipation. Too scared of phantom matrices to leave. Too hopeful for Ascension to stop buying the next $300 DVD set. The sun didn't explode into a rainbow of consciousness, but your bookshelf quietly took the hit. Lesson 3. The Million-Dollar Merkaba. So, let's talk about the Freedom Teachings price tag for a moment. You were told that Source does not have a tiered membership structure, but apparently the Guardian Alliance only accepts major credit cards. Thousands of dollars for fire letter workshops and bioregenesis techniques. You were told you were a sovereign god fractal, yet somehow you still needed to pay a middleman to learn how to breathe in the correct geometric pattern. If your divinity is behind a paywall, you're not in a temple, you're in a gift shop. Lesson 4. The Identity Rebrand Chameleon. Anna Hayes became Ashayana Deane, who became Ashayana. Every time the intel gets too messy or, the prophecies don't land, the avatar gets an update. Changing names like you're changing spiritual costumes doesn't make you a prophet. It makes you a corporate entity undergoing a merger. You didn't download this from the Pleiadian Syrian Council. You downloaded it from a Word doc that, honestly, desperately needed an editor. Lesson 5. The Guardian Grift and the Shadow Fear weaponized paranoia, right? You were taught that every other spiritual teacher was distorted, fallen, or, get this, AI infected. This created a closed epistemic loop where the only safe information came from one source. It's really the ultimate archontic trick, telling the prisoners to stay in their cells because the hallway is full of reptilian assets. Real teachers give you tools you can use without them. They don't make you a permanent dependent of their shielding protocols. Final fatality, the map to nowhere. You claim to be handing out the keys to existence, but honestly, you're just selling a tourist map of a territory you've only seen through a PowerPoint presentation. You are not a guardian of the Stargate, you're a mall cop guarding a broken vending machine of make-believe Greek-Latin suffixes. You've wrapped seekers in a warm, fuzzy blanket of 12-density lore, so they never bother to look up and see that the actual truth doesn't require a glossary to understand. The divine spark does not have a checkout page, and it certainly doesn't require code convolution to ignite. Ray, the supernova, keeper of the actual truth, has spoken. The file is now closed.